What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Grace. Well, I am back. I am back. When I mean I'm back, I'm back. So I am so sorry. I have not been able to post because I've been on a maternity leave. I just gave birth to a boy and a girl. Girl, the journey is not here, and the babies that were already 3 months, and I thank God for everything. So I am back with another video. I filmed this video before I put to bed, so I've been so busy taking care of the pregnancy and other stuff, so I have not been able to post it, but I know you guys are gonna love it. So this tutorial is basically, it's called tree braid. There's cornrow tree braid. It's so beautiful, even though it took me a lot of time to do it, but I promise you it's so worth it. It looks so much beautiful. It looks more like a crochet, but I bet yeah, I braided it. I know you're gonna see how I did it. I know you're gonna see how I was able to braid it. I want to show you guys so bad. So I hope you love and enjoy this tutorial. Alright guys, let's just jump right into it. See ya. Okay. So I've already done like the back of my hair and some of the back of my hair already. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is the back, how I did the back of the hair. This is how I did it, and I've already done it to save time. So I did like a single tree braid at the back. I have already done this tutorial once. If you do watch my videos, you should know how to do that. I've done the video on how to do a single or individual tree braid. So right now I'm just gonna face mostly on the cornrows so that we can get this ball rolling. Let's see if we can finish this hair today. I love this hair. It's not like the trees braid that gets tangled so easily. This is easy to maintain. Is really curly. In the other tutorial I did, the single tree braid I did, I used the same hair, but I used the same product but different hair. So in that one I used re-put. In this one, like I'm using, this is KIMA hair braid. Look at it. Is in this is it, ocean wave 20. This one was the one I used the last time, which is the re-put deep. Somehow I'm gonna mix them together. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I pray it's gonna work out. So this is the one I used the other time. This one is ripple deep in 20 inches too. But what I do is I cut it in two, the length it gives me right here, and then we're just gonna go ahead and start this hair proper. So to start the hair, I have my combs here. I have my rat tail comb, I have my big tooth comb, I have my shine and jam. This product is really good for natural hair. It helps you to pat the hair real good. So, and I have my duck clip here. You see them? Yeah, they also help to put the hair in place. And I have like a little clip here. They also like help me to keep the hair in place. Yeah, I really want the hair to be in place for me to do this braiding. So guys, I think that's pretty much what I need. And also my hair conditioner, which is Blue Magic. So I just put a little bit of it, and then with this one together, and we roll. Okay guys, let's just head right into the tutorial. I'm gonna use my hair jam on it. So guys, I'm using natural light, so just in case the light becomes a little bit funny, please just don't be offended. It's gonna correct itself. So right now, I'm gonna pick up a hair. I'm just gonna separate the hair and how many I want them to be. So this is like a kind my canicolon pulled hair. So I'm just gonna take a little piece of it. Like this is enough. And then I just dip in my hands into it this way. And then I fix it in like this. Then I take my, because I'm doing the right side, right? So I'm taking the left and I'm crossing it over here. And then the right hand goes over like this. And then I pick the hair. Oh my goodness. Deposit it. This is it. Then we'll start braiding. One, two, three, and then four. Okay, so I pick up a hair, I cross it over, then I deposit it right there. Then I keep braiding again. I release my hand, then I twist it around the bone I created. Then I start braiding again. I pick up a hair, I do it the same thing. We keep doing that. So, guys, I really want to talk here. So, basically, what I'm trying to do here is to make sure that I close the pattern at the middle. I have gotten to the extent where I am satisfied. So, I need to close the pattern in there. So, what I have to do is to make sure that I have two, like I have to deposit hair in those two areas. So what I do is when I braid and then I leave that one over there. So when I take another hair, I take it to the right and to the left. It's no longer like, okay, you want to part to the left, you move to the left, and then you want to part to the right, you part to go to the right. But now I want to hair to be in both places, so I have to be depositing hair in those two areas. So that is basically what I'm doing. I don't know if you get what I mean. So that's it. That's what I'm trying to achieve right there, and I thank God I was able to do that. So let's just continue with what we were watching. Oh guys, right here I'm trying to trim the hair. Trimming time, blessing time. I really love a shoulder length hair. I don't really like it to be so long. So I'm trying to show you the back of the hair, how it looks. And I'm loving it. I'm loving the vibe and everything. We're going with mousse. This is the mousse I'll be using for the hair. And this is it. This product, wet and wavy, tangle free, salon proven. I don't even know what it is, for all synthetic hairspray. Let me just get the tag away, but it's not pretty expensive. You can get it in any beauty supply. So this is how it is. This is it. So mm, okay, and then the next thing we have to do is to get our, and then we'll spray. We're done. Ooh, guys, we're done. We're done. We're done. And then, guys, we're done. anything you want to do to it, you can do to it, guys. I promise you, nothing will happen. It's going nowhere. All right, see you around.